Hello po, good evening po, gabi na po. Inabot na ako ng gabi rito. 1 week po tayong ganito. Baka po siya. 1 week po tayong singing. Here I am, playing those memories again. And just when I thought time had set me free, those thoughts of you keep taunting me, holding you, a feeling I never outgrew. Though each and every part of me has tried, only you can